things to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about Iceland. Iceland is in the continent Europe. The capital of Iceland is Reykjavik, and the language people speak in Iceland is Icelandic. Hello! The currency of Iceland is Icelandic krona. Some famous people are Vigdis, who is the first woman president, and Björk. Some tourist attractions are Blue Lagoon and Golden Circle. Some other tourist attractions are the South Shore and Vanakul National Park. One famous food of Iceland is pilsur. What is Iceland famous for? One of the most volcanically active places on Earth. Glaciers, hot springs, blue lagoon, and breathtaking landscapes. Most important geyser sites in the world. Most famous is geyser. Small, pony-sized, internationally popular Icelandic horse, and the largest puffin population in the world. Now it's time for the quiz. Can you guess the correct flag? You have 3 seconds. 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. So far in Countries Around the World series, I have done A to I, Iceland, and J is coming out soon. If you have any suggestions for country names for upcoming videos, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye!